Alright, cool. We got everything taped up and we're going to be spraying the gray interior here to a lighter gray. Alright, so let's take a look. I got everything taped up. We're going to be doing this bottom part of the dash. We're going to actually spray that gray too. We actually have this piece of tape in here too, just like that. So this is what the interior looks like so far. We put most of the whole dashboard together. We got these painted panels in. We got the whole dashboard in. Remember, we painted these bezels black inside with the gray. You can see how nice they look once we put the chrome rings around it. It looks really good. And when putting, other than that, the whole interior looks great. It's getting there. We put our AC vents back in. We cleaned all of this carbon fiber up. We put all this stuff back in. We put our center console in. Just take a step back, take a look. Alright, so one more day, we'll finish up. We'll put the door panels on it, and we should be good to go. Door panels on. Just vacuum out the interior, put some leather trim care on it, especially for this black. Just clean it up, make it look nice. And then after that, we clean the outside one last shot, put some wax on it, detail it up, and there we go. Our project is fully complete. It's gonna look really nice, this little Mercedes.